Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Kay Davis. Welcome to our math session of the day. The beginning of the week started off with my good friend Miss Sarita reviewing with you several vocabulary words. I would like to take this opportunity to go ahead and review those words with you. The first vocabulary word is subitizing. Do you know how to subitize? Subitize is when you see a set or a number and you see it with your eyes and you say it quick. That means you don't have to count it or you don't have to look and try to figure it out. You see it and say it quick. That's subitizing. We subitize when we hold up our fingers. Sorry, I've been using markers today, so you can probably see markers all over my fingers, but isn't that fun? Anyway, you can hold up numbers and say 3, 4, 2, 2. You're seeing it and you're saying it quick. That's subitizing. Now say the word with me. 1, 2, 3, subitizing. The next word is count. The next vocabulary method that we'd like to talk about is count 1 to 1. That is where you touch an object with your fingers and you move it and count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is counting 1 to 1 by touching the object. The next concept we're going to talk about is the numbers 1 to 20. Boys and girls, you need to be able to count the numbers from 1 to 20. You also need to count them from 1 to 1 using one-to-one correspondence by counting 1 to 20. And you need to also be able to recognize those numbers, and if you can, you need to be able to write those numbers from 1 to 20. Also this week, we have talked about more or less. More is when you have a greater amount of something. I always think about food when I talk about more and less. More means I have like a cookie jar and it's full. I have more. I have a greater quantity. But if I don't have that many, I have less. I don't have that many, okay? Less. A number is a numeral like 5, 4, 3. Those are numbers. Don't confuse those with the letters of the alphabet. Counting is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you can count further, please do. But that's how you count. And also, that frame that you saw Miss Sarita use this week, it has 10 boxes. If it has 10 boxes in the frame, that is called a 10 frame. So make sure you review the earlier lesson so you can see those methods that she used and those objects that she used. And I appreciate you tuning in today for our math vocabulary lesson. I will be back on shortly to show you some of these things. See you soon.